Intermittent fasting has gained popularity in recent years as a way to improve health and lose weight. In combination with the ketogenic diet, it can be a powerful tool for achieving your health goals. But what exactly is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that forces your body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it becomes more efficient at burning fat. Intermittent fasting, on the other hand, is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, but the most common is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. So, how do these two strategies work together? When you combine the keto diet with intermittent fasting, you can amplify the benefits of both. By restricting your carbohydrate intake and extending the fasting period, you can accelerate fat loss and improve insulin sensitivity. One of the key benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to promote autophagy, a process where your body breaks down and recycles old and damaged cells. This can have a profound impact on your overall health and may even help prevent certain diseases. In addition to weight loss and improved health, the keto diet and intermittent fasting can also provide mental clarity and increased energy levels. By stabilizing your blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation, you can experience improved focus and concentration throughout the day. It's important to note that the keto diet and intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. In conclusion, the combination of the keto diet and intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your health and achieving your weight loss goals. By understanding the benefits of these strategies and implementing them into your daily routine, you can take control of your health and transform your life. So, how do you plan to benefit from this video? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start this journey together.